Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reducing friction. Pick one tiny target you can finish in 10-20 minutes and commit to starting now. Once chosen, remove two main distractions and set your phone to Do Not Disturb so you can focus. Lay out the single tool or resource you'll need and place it in reach. This prevents excuses. Doing this quickly creates forward motion. It proves to your brain that progress is possible, and that belief fuels the next step. You keep momentum by structuring work into focused intervals, 25 minutes with short breaks, so your attention remains sharp and fatigue stays low. As you finish each interval, mark a tiny win. This visible progress releases motivation and reduces the stuck feeling. Once you notice resistance, tweak the next interval by 5 minutes up or down to fit your energy. Make sure to reflect briefly on what worked before you restart. That reflection refines your process and sustains forward motion. You finish by writing one sentence summarizing what you accomplished. This closure signals completion to your brain. Then schedule a single follow-up action within 24 hours to preserve momentum and avoid relapse. If progress stalls, identify the one specific blockage, time, skill, fear, and remove or delegate it immediately so you can move on. Make sure to treat setbacks as data, not failure, and iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.